Yo. They can't hear you, by the way. So I'll just repeat whatever you're saying. I'll be like you translator. I don't know why you can't buy the April Fools. I really like that. I'm really glad I can get it in that one update in Gorilla Tag. No, we can't, remember. It doesn't work. Yeah, no, but you can't. We don't have an echo because it's... No, Harrison, you can't because this game doesn't have echoes. This game doesn't have a mic system. So I'll just repeat whatever you say. Right, so we're trying to look for the stalker, see if he'll give us Morse code again. Do you see Banana Man walking over on the white hot sand? Here he comes with some for me, freshly taken from banana tree. Do you want a banana? Peel it down and go. Do you want this banana? I think canyons on mountains is scariest, man. Yeah, async. We're the backroom staff, by the way, because of Lemon Labs over there. We thought it'd be a good idea. We'll show you our fit. Well, we've got our own custom hats. Well, yeah, sort of hats to show you who we are. Oh, my hazmat mask doesn't work. There we go. We're like the extermination team. I think that's a fitting name. Like, you've got like PTSD from all you've seen back rooms, and you're like, it's loudspeakers come around in the lab. It's like, all employees of the extermination team, step into the back rooms. Alright, oh god. Should I buy the top part? I think that's more fitting for me. Remember my username on actual Gorilla Tag. Ready for SVN. Same. Yeah. Should I get a bow tie? Should we get bow ties? Because it'll look like a zip. Or should we just leave it? Why? No, it doesn't. The bow tie doesn't for me. I'll show you. I'll show you. It doesn't count for me. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't equipped it anyway. If we hear Morse code again, should we start spam clicking? I think it doubles. No, it doesn't. What are you at? No, you're not. How? Slightly full. Oh. What are you at now? 100 and what? I'm at 130. Okay, this is hurting my arm a little bit. But look at what we... Yeah, but I'm almost at 200. Let me just get to 200. But if I go over... No, I'm at exactly 200. No. Yeah, probably one of the monsters. Banana flow never ends. Want a banana? No, I'll show you what it was. No, it was this. Why? Because of that one little thing. If he's even in this version, I mean, I think he is. I think he was in every version of the game. Like that vein scared me. I feel safe looking at this fan art. Alright, who copied who here, bro? Who copied who? Harrison, look. Who copied you? Who copied who? How? The arms are no different. There's no difference. I can't believe Gorilla Tag sued this game, so people have to recreate. I don't know if Gorilla Tag sued this game. Put down, they just couldn't be bothered with the game anymore. I honestly think it was probably Gorilla Tag. It seems more Gorilla Tag like to shut a game down like that. I mean, you've seen what they shut down. They shut down Monkey's Place. That's like barely related to Gorilla Tag. It's got the physics, yeah, because they made their physics engine public. Become Fat Monkey. Yeah, because Gorilla Tag wants no other games related that the tiniest bit towards it. One cosmetic, you can have a top pack game. Sure, every game has a top pack. You have Gorilla Tag Physics Engine because they made it public. They made it public, the Physics Engine. They don't care about that. They've had a top pack. They've got a top pack in their game. Oh, banned. Gorilla Tag. I know they ban games for nothing. I know, and also Lemmings also just ruined it with KID and that. I'm not giving you my ID. I'll show you my ID. Oh yeah, my Boneworks video is doing quite well. It's got over 30 views so far. I think my subscribers like Boneworks. Yo, I didn't know he sees. Hey, what's up guys, it's K9. I'm gonna buy these. Oh, turkey leg. Looking as edible features. Do you remember this room? Oh, I remember this room. I don't know if that was just a remake, but I swear this game had a little sleeping area with a what's it called now? Music player. Why has this just appeared? That was not there before. Like 3 giant wires. Do you see banana man Walking over on the white hot sun. Here he comes with some for me. Freshly taken from banana tree. Do you want a banana? Peel it down and go. Do you want? Did it let you buy the turkey leg? This. I don't know how kind of him to tell us that. Watch out. This banana for you. This game is stupid. I've got a candy cane now. But I like my watch better. What would you do if we started hearing more code again? Hey bro, let's just... Hey bro, we need to follow the rules, we need to follow the rules. We need to follow the rules of the company rules of back rooms. If you're seeing things that are not real, follow the help principle. Hold on to your hands to your chest. Remember, the stork had its hands to its chest like you said. Exhale and inhale slowly. Look around at your surroundings. Put on a gas mask. And remember that he does not exist. No. Yeah, but remember he had his hands on his chest. But why is that actually... Why did that actually give me a tingle? I don't want to break it to you. I might get a chef's hat. Go cooking with Beelo mode. I want a chef's hat anyway. It'd be pretty funny. Do it. Yes, I got it. Bro, not again. Not again. I've got it! Big boy! Big boy! Big! Big boy! Wait. The third. He's called the third. Wait! Oh yeah! Mine's the first! Yours is the second and his is the third! Mine says one, yours says two, his says the third! Nah, shut up, bro! Someone translate this! Someone translate this! This isn't okay. So how you doing, buddy? So what's been going on lately? You know, just tell me all the personal stuff. This is Ferica from Two Italian Chef Guys. What? What? That just gave me shivers. That just gave me mad shivers. That just gave me some mad shivers. But what's scary about that is my username is asyncstaff1. Yours is asyncstaff2, and his was just the third. Like the reason we're called async staff is because we're the staff, the back rooms.